Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're making spicy apple salad, or in Laotian it's called Thum apple. The ingredients that you would need will be listed down below in the description box, so look out for that down there. I'm gonna start off with chopping my 3 green apples, and just as a tip, when you're chopping apple, make sure that you have a good grip on the apple, so when you're chopping it you don't cut yourself, or the apple doesn't slide out of your hand. So be very careful when you're chopping the apple. Start off the next step with throwing some peppers, about 10 to 20 peppers, 4 garlic cloves, some lemongrass, and some salt into the mortar. Once I have that in the mortar, I will begin to smash everything together. After I throw in half a teaspoon of crab paste, and then also half a teaspoon of shrimp paste, and then I'm going to be combining all the ingredients together like so. Make sure you thoroughly mash everything together. Like what I'm doing, I'm mashing the garlic because you don't want big lumps of garlic in your thumb apple. So right now I'm just smashing everything together to combine all the flavors. And we threw in some lemongrass, and lemongrass is like kind of harder to like smash, so that's why I'm doing more smashing to make sure that all the lemongrass fibers are all broken up. Once we have that done, I will start throwing in my chopped up apple. Now I'm gonna be slicing up the tomato. I'm using one whole tomato in this recipe. Now I'm gonna be squeezing half of one whole lime. I'm actually gonna be using one lime, but I'm squeezing half at a time to make sure that there's no seeds, because nobody wants seeds in their thumb. And I'm just using one lime because later on I'm going to be tasting it. our apple is a little bit sour and a little bit sweet, so I'm just adding 1 lime to taste first. And now I'm gonna be adding some fish sauce to the mixture. I'm using about 5 teaspoons first to see how everything will taste. And now I'm not mashing everything, I'm actually just mixing all the ingredients together, because you don't want like mushy apple, you still want it to have a bite when you eat it. So right now I'm just mixing the salad together to combine all the flavors. Once you have all the flavors combined, make sure that you taste the salad to see if it's the flavor that you like. We're actually going to be adding some more fish sauce into our salad because we like it a little bit more salty. If you like it sweet, you can actually add some sugar into the mixture, like 1 or 2 teaspoons would be good. We also like to add some seafood to this salad. We had some octopus rings, so we added that already. The octopus rings was already cooked, so we just combine everything together. Once we have all the flavors mixed together, we're plating everything up. And then once everything's on the plate, we're going to be adding some pistachio nut onto the salad. And this is how our salad came out, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you do try it, comment down below and let me know how your spicy apple salad came out. Thank you so much for watching. We appreciate you guys. Like and subscribe for more videos.